If you've been scrolling through men's fashion sites lately, chances are you've come across Tour Tate, an online menswear brand that promises to deliver a mix of style, comfort, and versatility. But the big question is Tour Tate really a legit store or just another online scam? Tour Tate positions itself as a one-stop destination for men's clothing, with products ranging from cozy cardigans and sweaters to well-fitted jeans, crisp shirts, and even sneakers. On the surface, everything looks polished. The website has a sleek layout. They maintain a strong presence on social media, and their domain history shows that this isn't just a brand new pop-up shop that appeared overnight. That adds some credibility. Customer support details are clearly displayed, which is always a good sign since transparency is often missing from scam sites. The product range is fairly wide, catering to men who want both casual and semi-formal looks, so there's variety for different styles. However, when digging into customer experiences, the picture becomes less straightforward. Many buyers praise Tour Tate for offering high-quality clothing that matches the online descriptions, noting that the material feels durable and comfortable, and that the customer service team, when responsive, can be helpful and polite. But not everyone shares the same experience. There are reports of delivery delays, sometimes longer than expected, and some buyers mention issues with sizing, meaning items don't always fit as advertised. Others felt that response times from support could be slow when trying to resolve these problems. So, while Tour Tate doesn't show the usual red flags of an outright scam, it isn't a flawless shopping experience either. The brand seems legitimate, but patience with shipping and caution around sizing are worth keeping in mind before hitting that checkout button.